Hey guys, Adam here and welcome back to the Dad of All Trades channel. Today, I just thought I'd make a simple little video while I was out here smoking on my Pit Boss smoker some food for the week. Thought I'd do a simple little video about changing windshield wipers on a 2016 Kia Sorento. I know it's not that difficult for a lot of people, but some people need a little help and it's not that bad, so we could do it real quick, be a quick short little video. So thanks for watching and stay tuned. Alright guys, so real quick, let me just show you what we're working with here. This is the part that it pivots on, and that's where it's going to come off at. Really pretty simple. On this one, all you got to do is pull it down back towards the vehicle. Let's see how it pops loose right there. Then you just move it over and it comes right off. Little hook. These are way simple. Some vehicles are a lot more difficult. My truck was a pain in the butt. This one came off pretty good and it'll go right back on just as easy. And on the 2016s, you got to watch because there's two different size windshield wiper blades. You can go to Walmart or wherever you get them and they'll have a book and it'll tell you what you need. So just make sure you pay attention to that because it's a big difference, and I'll show you that in a second. We'll pop the other one off and then we'll put them back on. So this is the difference I was talking about. As you can see, there one's a lot longer. This is the driver's side one. This one goes on the passenger side. So just a heads up, two different lengths. There's a big difference, so it does matter. Alright guys, these are the ones that I got to replace the ones I had. These are Rain-X, I think you can see. And they go on similar, a little different. They have a whole big attachment on top that you go on, you'll slide it in, you'll clip it on. These actually have a protective cover that you've got to slide off. There we go. And it comes right off of there, which is kind of cool. So, with that being said, all you got to do is put it over here, slide it on up. It's not that hard, and then you click this over, and they're in. So, like I said, this one's a lot bigger than the other one for the passenger side. Let me see. Now the book told me to get a 26-inch for the driver and a 16 for the passenger, so that's what I've gotten. And they look very similar to what was on there, which is what it's supposed to be. So this is what I've gotten. You kind of get what you pay for with windshield wipers, so it's nice to get something that's pretty good. These apparently, where's it at? There you go. Voted Product of the Year 2017. So no, I haven't had them since 2017. But yeah, just get something decent, guys. Take care of your lady's vehicle or whoever's driving the vehicle. You always want to take care of them, So, let's see. Get this one out of the box. Like I said, you get what you pay for. Sorry. This is the other one, a lot shorter. But still, should be good. We'll slide the cover right off of it. Pop this little clip up. And then we'll be ready to pop it on the other side. And we'll be good to go. So y'all, thanks for watching. Y'all know the routine. Like, share, subscribe, please. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to put out more content this year. I hope this is the kind of content y'all like or something different. Just let me know. I want to do other things too. But I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time, guys.